So we're going camping with 20. So we're going camping with 20 strangers on an island, so we'll see how that goes. So we're technically not supposed to be parking here, so we're gonna hide our camping gear in the paddleboard bag so we don't get told to leave, pretty much. The Walmart sleeping bags, because it's the first time, so.
They didn't even know we got like garbage ones and had to switch them out because they were broken.
Now this is gonna be an issue here.
We'll put the snorkel stuff in there too.
Everything gonna be IRA. You seen Meet Joe Black?
No,
Brad Pitt.
Dude, cut that out. I know, it's
Boom! Boom!
5 big booms!
Alright guys, give me 5 big booms in the comments for that sick close.
Boom, boom.
Alright, let's rock and roll. Okay, so if you live in Florida, you understand the heat that goes on in the summertime. So the first thing we did when we got here was grab our gear and hop in the water. The current is ripping right now.
Going this way or
going this way? Oh no, wait, let me gear up.
Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir.
You do it both at the same time?
Yeah, don't do flips. You both angle your flips kind of towards each other.
Okay.
You won't bump into each other.
Alright, ready? I gotta get a little bit further away from you or else I'm gonna like hit you with my hand.
Oh, you're really gonna do that?
Maybe I'll hit you with my hand.
Or 3, 2, 1.
Go, go. Lies is fucking up the shot, dude.
It's a beautiful day.
Oh, dude.
I was losing my mind for a week.
Oh, dude. The day was passing and the sun was setting, and honestly, it was about time we started a fire. First order of business, collect some sticks. Easier said than done, though.
Hey guys, I got all the sticks we need.
It's like Harry Potter. Like what side quest, bro?
Got my pants caught.
Oh, dude, no. Wait, you need help?
Dude, what if we climb up and get break it off the top?
Bro.
Out the tree.
That works.
He is right. This one works right here.
Matt, did you get that? Did you not get that?
Oh, dude.
Dude.
Oh, no, bro.
I literally snapped. I went one arm, slid around here, dude. I'm just hanging, dude. Like kicking.
Bro.
What?
I said your stuff is sweet, bro.
Okay, chill. At least I got some stuff.
There's something so peaceful about camping.
What? What?
You have nowhere else to be. No errands to run, no job or home to go back to. You are just here. Right now. Dude, it feels so warm here. Oh, it feels so good. In this moment. hours passed and we decided just to stay up all night. We had no tent, no sleeping bag. We just kind of sat there on the beach and let the night pass by. And just like that, the sun rose and the camping trip came to an end. But I have to say, this was such an amazing experience.